Hi, I'm Sinika Waugh, President and Founder of Your Clear Next Step. Do you know what we're here to do? We're here to make your business even better. We do that through training, we do that through private training and coaching, we do that through online webinars, we do that through workshops. There's a whole bunch of stuff that we do to help you get even better. But we don't deliver just off-the-shelf solutions that may not work for you. We deliver tailored custom solutions that are guaranteed to work. And part of what we do is getting to know you as an organization. My background as a business analyst helps me understand who you are really, really quickly. So let me tell you about our approach. Yes, absolutely, you can attend our off-the-shelf, our online webinars, and those are great. And then when we bring our training to you, we help you solve whatever problem is facing you, whatever challenge you're experiencing, we help you solve it by tackling it head on. Let me tell you about these 5 steps. First thing we do is we identify the right problem. We don't waste time on the wrong problem. We focus on what you need to do first. Identify that right problem. And then we find the right solution with your team. There are lots of options out there. You could take different approaches, and we're committed to making you find the right solution with your team, the solution that works for you, that has benefits that you'll see right away, that has obstacles you can overcome, rather than those kinds of things that become unsurmountable. So first we identify the right problem, then we identify the right solution. Then we create an action plan. My background in project management says I can help you create an action plan that makes sense. It has deliverables, it has timelines, it has action owners, so that every step gets delivered. And then we don't just leave you hanging. Our 4th step there is that we support you with implementation support. We provide coaching, we provide hands-on guidance, we provide check-ins to keep you going. So we support that implementation. And then 5th, when all is said and done, we leave you with a reusable model. We don't just come in and coach and help you. We come in and coach and help you and then leave you the tools so you can do it yourself next time. Won't you join us? I would love to have you be part of our customer base. We love our customers and we would love to have you join us. Sinika Waugh with Your Clear Next Step.